Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good day to Ms. Rashida Mtikadi, our lecturer, and to everyone who is watching this video. Today, our group 1 will be representing about our project for introduction to cryptography, and our title is called Advanced Crypt. Next, this is our team members. The first one is me, Amirul Irfan. Next one is Alia Nushuhada, Fariz Nazmi, and Mikael Shahmi. Next, I will pass this presentation to Faris to present about what we do for our project.
Thank you very much, Amirul Irfan, for such amazing introductions. So I would like to begin with our Advanced cryptography project, which is this is a web-based. So that is pretty much about the whole of the interface, which is the interface, which is that the display of the introductions of the UI itself. It says that it's going to be have a junior and the master. So in order, when it comes to player, they can choose whether they want to choose junior or master. Of course, there is also have a about and how to play button. And to be exactly, in this rapidly evolving realm of digital education, the integrations of interactive or competitive tools to facilitate learning to integrate subject has become the almost importance when it comes to cryptography itself. So it serves as a fundamental pillar of modern day digital security, often poses a formidable challenge to learners. So this is one of the things that the reason why we choose web-based cryptography games after all. So next. So despite all the UI, so when the user click how to play, which is it displays so many things over there. So as you can see, one of the things that it will display to the user itself is going to be the how to play. So first one is going to be the prepare pencil or pen and paper, and those are the requirement. Of course, the second one is going to be the introduction of the cryptography basics. So the user will know the steps and the certain methods in order to do the cryptography games. And the last and finally, how to play it is to be exactly that you have different types of questions, and of course you have answer sessions that you can answer for the user itself. So the user interface we choose entirely create with the phenomena itself. For example, this basically of the see things, and then with the pirate phenomena or themes, I would say. So that is pretty much about the how to play and the introduction of the UI itself. So next, I will pass to Mikael to present for another slide.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Thank you, Faris. Now, back to the home page. As Faris explained just now, on the top right, we have about and how to play. So I will explain regarding the about page. So this about page will present regarding on what is this game is about. As you can see from the screen, the theme of this game is Pirates of the Caribbean. We decided to take this because it suits the adventure theme type of game like Treasure Hunt. And another thing is because Pirates of the Caribbean is quite a well-known name. It's a household name. So I think everybody knows what is Pirates of the Caribbean. And the name Advanced Crypt is a short form from Adventure Crypto. Crypto in itself is a short form of cryptography. We believe that this type of games could infuse the enthusiasm for the students to learn more about cryptography. Next, I will pass to Ifan.
So now, I will be representing about how to play with junior level. So basically, the junior level is designed to introduce players to the basics of cryptographic ciphers. So as an example, we implemented Caesar cipher, transposition cipher, at-bash, substitution, and playfair cipher, which is we call introduction to ciphers for beginners. So as the first page, as an example, so the first page will show 3 sections. First one is tutorial video. So players can watch video first before answering the question. So the first scenario will be given. As an example, using the Caesar cipher with a shift of 3. So decrypt the message. Next page, the user will enter the answer. So it will submit the answer. If it's the correct answer, the image will show correct and it will give out the hint. After that, we'll show the next question until the three hints are given. Next. This is the second hint. Next. Next. So if the user have submitted all three questions correctly and have all the hints, the last page will be the user will enter all the hints given and and we'll have a message like congratulations. So you have all the hints given for the answers for all the questions. So for this page of submission, Mikael will be explaining about it more detail.
Right. In a case where the user is successful in gathering the answers and manage to submit it, you will have got this display page, which is you are reached now. This means that it is a successful gameplay. So in this page, as you can see, there's a record. We record the time taken. We believe it's very important so that the users can keep on trying to improvise their record. State as quite basic actually, because competitiveness is very important in gamification. They can either compete with themselves or they can compete with others. As you can see, there's this button here, play again. So we hope that every users will try to play again so that they can keep on improvise their current record. And if the user click this button, they will go through to the home page. And I will pass to Alia.
So, as Irfan and Mikhail already told about the junior level, I will be explain about the master level. So, when you click on the here button for master level, you will, the question will appear that the question is suitable for someone already master, because the question will be a little bit hard than usual, than the basic questions. So as you can see here, this is Virginia cipher. So when the user already do their calculation on the paper, they will put their answer in the text box, and then when they click on the submit button, the correct the website will appear correct button, a correct message, and then the hint like goals will appear on the bottom right of the page. So next, as for this question is real fan cipher. So when they put the answer, next page, when they put the answer and then submit it, there will appear another hint. So this hint actually will make a sentence at the end of the level. So next page. So let's say as for this question, so when the user already watched the video, if they don't know, or let's say they forget how to do the calculation, so when they're done watching the video, they can do the calculation and then they can key in the answer inside the text box and then click the submit button. So as for this question, let's say the user or the player have submitted the wrong answer, the player will not receive any hint, and then the right answer will be shown at the right of the bottom of the page. So next, and as for this question, let's say the player insert the right answer, they will receive a hint also. Next page please. So they will receive the hint like this. And then next, this is a columnar transposition cipher. So also they can do their own calculation and then key in their answer in the text box, and then when they submit it, they can receive the hint. So next, so as for this one, the player insert the right answer, so they get the hint, which is Melaka. And then next. So as for everyone information, uh, each questions from each level, which is junior level and master level, will always be different and appear randomly, and the hint, which is the words that will form a sentence, also is a random words. So it is based on the session of each player. So as for this one, the user already reached at the end of the journey, but they didn't get one hint because the questions seems not seems the question that the player answer is wrong. So next page please. So as you can see here, they can put any words they like to key in. However, if it writes, then uh, the player can win this game. However, if they don't get any ideas what words to put inside the blank space, so when they submit it, the diamonds will be the right answer will be appear with strike through. That means that part is wrong. So next page. So when they submit the wrong answer or incomplete answer, this will appear. So this page will say that you need to try harder if you want to get the treasure, and then also appear the taken time to finish this level. So the player can play again when they click on the right button, play again. So it will go back to the home page again. So I'll pass to Irfan back. So that's all from me.
Alright, for the conclusion and to wrap up our presentation, Advent Crypt, which is actually Adventure Crypto, offers a fun way for high school students, especially, to learn about cryptography. So we believe that by mixing adventure with easy to follow lessons, and we provide the video for the lessons, the game will keep the students more interested and more curious with cryptography. So with games that we built into the website, and with the simple design made with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, so it will make learning cryptography more easy and um, easy to access even for the beginners. So we believe that Advent Crypt proof that learning tough topics like cryptography can be both fun and accessible. So thank you for your time to listen for our presentation. That's all from us.